Don't ask why,都傻了，跟你说。
Hello, long time no see. This is Single Food Machinery Company, which main products are vitamin gummy candy machines. Today is September 20th, 2023. Because we have received mailing feedbacks from our customers that they hope to use our small capacity lamp gummy candy machines when setting up a small factory. Today, let me introduce more details about this machine. Follow me. As we all know, we have mailing different type semi-automatic gummy candy machines, like the baby depositor and the 20 kilograms per hour and 50 kilograms per hour gummy candy machines. They can make different types of gummy candy, like 2 colors, 3Ds, whether they are side by side or up and down or center filling candies. For the center filling candies, whether you want to add the jam or liquid in the candy, both of them can be achieved. One of the points I must emphasize that all of our machines are made of 304 stainless steel, and the part contact with food is made of 316 stainless steel. Each of the machine is finished. We will use a thermometer to detect and check the machine to ensure that our machine in 100 perfect situation. Okay. Now let's show you how to make the gummy candy. As you can see, this is a mold, right? And it has 4 different animal shapes in one template. The egg, horse, pig, or other shapes. And the shape can be customized. If you have any nice idea or different shapes you like, you can tell me, I can change it for you. A mold is fully coated with Teflons. Means that you don't need to spray the oils on the surface of the mold. And it also can be quickly demolded. Okay, let's do it. Just put the mold in the small tree, right? And we push the tree below the nozzle. And you can see there is a switch. You use your foot to staple once. The depositor will work once. Now you can see the beautiful shape gummy candy are made. The gummy candy liquid dripped very neatly and cleanly, right? There are no tailing and straining filaments. Do you know why achieve this? Why we can make this beautiful shape gummy candy? Let me tell you. Because the syrup or gummy candy liquid temperature is very important factor to the forming process. As you can see, our depositing system temperature are divided into 3 parts. The first one is the hopper temperature. The second is the hopper base temperature. The last is the manifold temperature. All of them are controlled separately by the electric box, as you can see. The hopper base, the manifold temper, and hopper temper, right? If you want to change one of the temperature, you just change and check here, right? Okay. Now look the inside of the electric box. They are made famous brands, Siemens, you know. One day, if you want to change parts of them, you can also easily bought them in your local place. They are arranged very neatly, right? It's an excellent job, I think. This is our 10th generation semi-automatic gummy candy depositor. Do you know the advantages of this machine? There are 3 reasons. Let me show you one by one. First, you can see there is like a small hole, right? This is the exhaust device. When we add the heating oil into the insulated hopper, right, and the gas, when the machine working, the gas will be generated. And by this device, it can automatically discharge the gas. By this device, you can prevent the dangerous accident when the machine is working. The second part of this machine is that you can see this is the cleaning system. And the dirty water will transfer from this tank to this part. Do you know how to clean our machine after a long time use? You just run some hot water into the hopper, like the whole process of making gummy candy. The hot water will run from the hopper and come out from the nozzles, and the dirty water will come out from here, right? This pipe. It's very easy operation. The last part you can see, because this machine can make 2 colors gummy candy, and it's up and down color. So there are 2 cylinders above the support shelf. But before the machine are equipped the cylinder beside the shelf life, not above place. Why we change this? Because this will be more stronger for the depositing process to ensure your candy forming process more stably. It's also one important reason that to ensure your candy can go into the high level market. You know. That's all about today's sharing. If you are interested in our gummy candy machine and want to know how to make it, if you contact me before 30 September 2023, I will show you a gummy candy recipe for free. Okay, and for the next time, I will introduce our high-level baby depositor to you. If you are interested in that, just subscribe my channel and give me like. Goodbye. See you next time.